Are you looking for the best action cameras under $200? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. AKASO V50 Elite 4K Wi-Fi Sports Action Camera. The AKASO V50 Elite is crammed to the brim with best-in-class features, despite being priced at almost one-half the price of big brands. For starters, it boasts of 4K video at 60 fps and 30 fps as a standard option and pictures at 20 MP. In addition to this, it comes with a bunch of different shooting modes like slow-mo at 240 fps, diving, fast motion and time-lapse, all of which are extremely easy to access and toggle through. It comes with two 1100 mAh rechargeable batteries that give you 3 hours of combined recording time. It is Wi-Fi compatible, has HDMI connectivity and comes with a tiny, 2-button remote control that can be worn on your wrist. Oh, it's waterproof to 131 feet. If the features weren't good enough already, Acaso throws in a bunch of mounting accessories that would otherwise cost you at least $1,000 if you were buying a GoPro instead of this one. And it's just not about features either. The quality of the pictures and the videos are top-notch. The camera is built like a rock and you can put this through the motions without worrying about it conking off or getting damaged. Water, sand, mud, dirt, name it, and it can sustain the wear and tear. Number 2. GoPro Hero Silver. This is GoPro's entry-level offering that boasts of a few good features under its silver, classy rubberized casing. More importantly, it's backed by GoPro's quality assurance. The Hero Silver shoots 4K videos at 30 frames per second and takes 10 MP still photos. It can seem pale in comparison to the 4K at 60 frames per second offered by AKASO V50 Elite and other brands these days. But don't forget, this isn't an unknown Chinese brand. It's GoPro. In addition to the standards, it comes with time-lapse and a slow-motion mode at 2x speed. The camera is designed for point-and-click shooting. It's compact enough to be mounted practically anywhere. And it features a 1.95-inch touchscreen on the rear that's responsive and fast. Best gimbals for your GoPro action camera. It is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatible and image/video edits are extremely easy on board. It is waterproof to just 33 feet though. But if you are looking to plunge to beyond 10M, then you'd probably do yourself a favor by investing in a higher-end action camera. Overall, we'd recommend the GoPro Silver for beginners to the action camera scene looking for a reliable purchase. For a small monthly fee, you can get a full replacement warranty. Number 3. Sony HDRAS50. Sony jumped head over heels into the space a while ago. The HDRAS50 is their foray into the budget-priced end of the market. This action cam boasts of full HD videos and incredibly vibrant pictures courtesy their 11.1 MP XMirror sensor that peps up the footage in low light. Not to forget the Zeiss lens that the camera comes fitted with. Wide angle, low light, overexposure, this has got you covered. Steady shot image stabilization is included as a standard feature, and there are 6 video modes including a 4K time-lapse. Other than the standards like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, Sony also throws in a stereo mic that allows crystal clear audio recording in 2-track stereo, and a 60mm water housing is making it a neat bundle. Overall, this budget action camera is best suited for YouTubers and travel bloggers who look for that extra pop in their footage. Sony's Zeiss lens reproduces colors vividly, and we'd happily choose this one over others if that was the intended use. Number 4. Bear Grylls Waterproof Action Camera Glasses, BG-GLS1. The BG-GLS1 is an action camera integrated into stylish sunglasses that allows you to get amazing point-of-view footage without worrying about camera mounts and handheld gimbals. Just wear the UV protective glasses, and you are set to rock and roll. Recording is as easy as pressing a button, and you get 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. We know that 1080 isn't really groundbreaking when almost every other brand offers 4K. But hey, This is easier than mounting a camera on your helmet or on your body when you have tons of other gear to be bothered about. Hikes, treks, mountaineering, there are tons of applications for this amazing POV cam. And it's very durable. It's IP6 rated for water and dust proofing, and the camera is mounted on a TR90 impact resistant frame. You can choose between polarized and normal lenses. Number 5. Insta360 ONE Best 360-degree Action Cam for the Gram. This 360-degree VR cam erases a selfie stick or your hand from the final picture, making it appear like it's a drone shot. That's not all. It shoots 4K videos and high-resolution 24MP pictures for panorama shots. Electronic image stabilization gets a new name here. It's called flow state stabilization. Guess what? It works just as well. The videos are buttery smooth irrespective of whether you are cycling downhill or jumping of an airplane. The camera can be controlled with a remote control, sold separately, or via an app that can be downloaded on the iPhone. This also makes it extremely easy to edit the footage and upload on the gram. Last but not the least, we love the unique design of the camera. With the right accessories, this should be a treat to mount on just about everything. Best-in-class stabilization ensures pro-level footage, no matter what you're doing. Running, cycling, even letting your dog carry the camera, it all comes out hypnotically smooth. It's better than a gimbal, and with none of the hassle. Create a stunning edit with a few taps. Mark off the best parts of your 360 degrees footage, and the One connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Mount the One on a selfie stick and watch as it instantly disappears from view. The result: easy aerial shots without a drone.